She's upset, bad day. Heads for the dresser drawer to drive her pain away. Nothing good can come of this. She opens it, there's nothing there, is only leftover tears. Mom and Dad had no right, she screams. The anger ran down both of her cheeks. Then she closed her eyes, found relief in a knife. The blood flows as she cries. All alone, the way she feels, left alone to deal with all the pain, drenched sorrowed relief. Bite the lip, just forget the bleeding. Then she closed her eyes and found relief in a knife. The blood flows as she cries. Whoa, and then she closed her eyes and found relief in a knife. The blood flows as she cries. Curled up, she's on the floor. Relief left her, she had hope for something more from it. Hope for something more from it.
Please watch what you say, because you could be hurting them way more than you think.